In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space in Jira. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a space is a permanent action. Once it's gone, you usually can't get it back, so make sure you really don't need any of the information inside that space. If there are important pages or tasks, consider exporting or copying them to another location first. Also, you'll need to have the right permissions in Jira to delete a space, typically as an admin or space owner. Let's begin by opening Jira and going to the area where your projects or spaces are listed. From that list, click on the project or space that you want to remove. Take a second here to confirm you're opening the correct one. Check the name, the key, or even a few of the pages inside if you need to double check that this is the space you really want to delete. Once you're inside that space, look towards the top of the screen for the three-dot menu icon. This is often called the More Options menu. It's usually found near the space name or in the upper right corner of the page. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu with additional actions. In this menu, look for the option labeled Delete Space. The wording may be very similar depending on your Jira version, but it should clearly refer to deleting the space. Go ahead and click on Delete Space. As soon as you do this, Jira will typically show a confirmation dialog because this action can't easily be undone. In the confirmation window, you'll see a warning explaining that deleting the space will remove its content. Read that message carefully to be sure you understand the impact. If you are absolutely certain that you want to proceed and you're working on the correct space, click on the delete button to confirm. Jira will then process your request. Depending on the size of the space and the amount of content it holds, this may take a moment. After it completes, the space will no longer appear in your list, and its pages and related content will be removed from Jira. That's all you need to do to delete a space in Jira. Always double check which space you're deleting and make backups of anything important before you remove it permanently.